What's going on, guys? I'm Rob Pie, and today I have a new video for you. It's gonna be fairly quick. I'm gonna try to do it in just like a couple of minutes, just so I won't take up too much of your time. I'm gonna show you guys how to change your background really quickly with like a portrait in Photoshop. Um, so yeah, let's get into it. So I have my portrait here. Is my friend Eli, and then I just took just a beach picture off of Google later. And so we're gonna take him and we're gonna put Eli on the beach because who doesn't love going to the beach? All right. So I have layer 1 and layer 3, just to do a little test run. So layer 3 is my friend Eli, and then layer 1 is the beach. So what we're going to do is with Eli, we're going to go up here to the quick selection tool, and instead of drawing like how most people would do, and then you're like cutting off like the hair and stuff, if you go up here to select subject, it'll do it for you. And it did a really good job selecting Eli, like right away, just that perfect outline pretty much. And then what you want to do is you want to go to select and mask. Okay, you can adjust all this if you want to. I'm just doing this to show you guys. And then we're just going to inverse the selection, delete, boom, there you go. And then you can just deselect and then drag him down. So he's got like a cutout in his stomach and his arms cut off. So I can just put him on like bottom right here, and then boom, Eli is now at the beach just chilling, having a good time. Now, you can, if you want to, change the coloring, do all the fancy editing. This was just like a quick, really simple, I mean, it's kind of like in your face, like it's there, like already, but I just decided to make this for people who haven't noticed it or didn't know about it, like at all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and like it if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, comment down below what you would like to see next, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.